Everyone, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gamshrine. Today we are looking at inequalities 2, whereby we are going to draw our inequality equations on graphs. We have got two types of graphs. The first one is the line graphs. Then the second one are the Cartesian graphs. Okay. So for starters, today we are going to look at line graphs. I've got a number of examples that we are going to look at how we draw line graphs given different inequalities. So what happens is this: when we are looking at our line graphs, when we have got greater or less than sign, we only draw a circle and then point an arrow to the direction that it is going. Then when we have greater or equal to and less or equal to sign, we draw our circle and point where it is going, and we shade inside the circle. Okay, that's the difference between these two symbols there. Let's have some examples. I've got this first one: x is greater than 1. So I'll go to 1. My 1 is there on my number line. This is the line graph on the number line where we have our x there. Okay, so when we do that, I'll go and say I've drawn my 0 representing x is greater. Then I want to point where is my x values. If we say x is greater than 1, its values are going to be 2, 3, 4, okay, and so on. So what happens is this: we point the arrow to where the numbers are of x. So we'll have the arrow going this direction like that. Those are the values of x going from 1 and up there. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is saying x is greater than -2. We go again at -2. We draw a circle. It's going to take values which are greater than -2. These values are -1, 0, 1. So it's going up like this. So that's how we draw that one. Let's move on to the next one. X is greater or equal to -3. I'll go to -3. Because of this sign, I'm going to shade this portion there like that. When I shade this portion, I now consider the values of x are greater than -3. So it's going to take, our x is going to be equal to -2, -1, 0, and so on. Okay, so its arrow is going to point on this direction like that. So that's the arrow there. Let's go on to number 4. Number 4, we are saying x is less than 0. We go to 0, we shade because of this sign there, less or equal to, we shade. Then we are saying which values are x taking. X is being less than 0, so it is going to take numbers like -1, -2. So the arrow is going to go down there. Okay, then we go to number 5. X is greater than -2. I'll go to -2. I will shade again because of that greater or equal to sign. Then when I'm there, x is greater than -2. So x is going to take the values -1, 0, 1, and so on, going up there. So the arrow is going to go that direction. Let's go to number 6. I think this is the last one. X is less than -1. I go to -1. Oh, it's just less, so its values are going to be, x is going to take values which are -2, -3, and so on. So its arrow is going to go that direction. So that's how we draw our line graphs in inequalities. Okay guys, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.